In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify self-serve returns. Self-serve returns can save time for your team and make returns simpler and faster for customers. I'll walk you through the essential steps so you can enable the feature, define your rules, make your policy clear, and add the portal link to your storefront. Follow along, and you'll have a professional, customer-friendly returns experience set up in no time. First, enable self-serve returns in your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, open Settings, then select Customer Accounts. Locate the Self-Serve Returns option and toggle it on. Enabling this connects the return portal to your store, so customers can begin requests without contacting support. It's a lightweight change in the admin, but it can significantly reduce manual workload once the rest of the settings are configured. Next, set up your return rules. In the Return Rules section, define your store's policy by choosing a return window, deciding who covers return shipping, and applying any restocking fees if appropriate. You can also list items that are not eligible for returns. Think about clarity here. A concise number of days for the return window, a straightforward shipping responsibility policy, and an explicit note for final sale or non-returnable products will reduce confusion and disputes. Restocking fees should be used sparingly and explained clearly, so customers understand why they might receive a reduced refund. After the rules are in place, update your formal policy so customers see consistent information throughout their experience. Go to Settings, then Policies, and write or update your return and refund policy. This text appears during the return process, so be clear about timelines, acceptable condition of returned items, and how refunds are issued. Plain language and a few examples can go a long way toward preventing misunderstandings. Finally, add a visible link to the return portal on your storefront so customers can find it easily. In the content area, open Menus and add a new menu item in your footer or main menu. Paste the self-serve returns URL you copied from Settings under Checkout and Accounts. Placing the link where customers expect it, like the footer or account menu, helps reduce support requests and makes the returns process feel integrated with your site. That's everything you need to get started with Shopify self-serve returns. Take your time defining rules and policies so they match your brand standards and make the portal easy to find. Once configured, it will streamline returns for both you and your customers.